I am super excited. I have another Fitbit. My last Fitbit I had over 4 years and I used it religiously. So I'm super excited to use this one. This is called the FitBit Luxe. This is a great way to track your steps. They say you should shoot for 10,000 and this really helps meet everybody's goals. I'm really excited about the FitBit Luxe because you can change the wristbands too. So let's check it out. It says health features, stress management tools, 24/7 heart rate, sleep stages and sleep score, has a sleep mode, and mindful minutes. There's fitness features, which does active zone minutes, all day activity tracking. It's water resistant up to 50 meters, that's a plus, 20 exercise modes, and smart track. It has real-time pace and distance, and the lifestyle features, it's sleek design, vibrant color display, call, text, and smartphone notifications, and up to a 5-day battery life. It syncs with your Android or iOS devices. It has a sleek design, bright color display, and polished stainless steel finish. Luxe is the must-have wellness and wardrobe essential. Find your calm. Calm your mind and monitor your stress with mindful minutes. It's an in-app stress management score and more. And unlock more personal guidance. Get personalized insights you can turn into action step-by-step programs, at-home workouts, relaxation tools, and more. I'm super excited. So let's open this up. Nice. Here it goes. I'm super excited. Now it says if you're new to Fitbit, download the app and create an account, but I already have one. So now it says if you have an account, tap your account icon to get it set up. Let's put this on. So I really like this rubber material. It feels really nice. And let's see how it feels on my wrist. I like it. Okay, I guess we probably have to charge this. So if you open up the box, there are more further directions. And it says, welcome to the Fitbit family. If you have any questions, let us help. Visit myhelp.fitbit.com/go for friendly one-on-one support before returning to your retailer. There's a quick start guide. It says charge to 100%, download, setup, and sync. Also comes with this product information manual and another replacement band. I think I want to buy the kind that looks like a bracelet. It's metal and it looked really pretty. So when I look in here, it looks like you get another band and you also get your power cord. So to charge, you just stick it on and it is magnetic. And then it has a USB charge so you can plug it in. Now it's charged up and I'm super excited. I already put it on and got some steps in. I'll show you some other features it can do too. When you get your 10,000 steps, the Fitbit Luxe notifies you on your wrist by vibrating as well as on your phone when you open up the app. The Fitbit tracker shows you how many steps you take daily. And you can also input your stress levels throughout the day too. The Fitbit Luxe also has meditation and breathing exercises to help you relax and to fall asleep. A really nice feature that I like is it makes sure that I get at least 250 steps an hour during certain periods, and it vibrates me 10 minutes before the hour is up if I haven't reached it yet. It can track how much your nightly breathing rate is, your heart rate variability, your skin temperature, and your resting heart rate. There's also challenges you can do by yourself or by including your other Fitbit friends. There are also free at-home workouts you can do as well. Another nice feature of the Fitbit Luxe is that you can change the clock faces. You can color coordinate to your outfits or whatever feature you're interested in. You can spend so much time diving into these health and fitness stats. It's so interesting, and it even has a water intake tracker too. Some features on the Fitbit Luxe are premium features, which require a subscription. Another great amenity of the Fitbit Luxe is the sleep tracking feature. It gives you a score of how well you slept, as well as how much you slept in deep sleep, light sleep, REM and when you're awake. So I've had the FitBit Luxe for over a week now, and I just love it. I feel more energized, and it pushes me to get over 10,000 steps. Sometimes I just barely make it, as you can see, but you know what? It pushes me. I could have stopped at 7,000 or 8,000, but no. I said, I got to get that 10,000 steps. So this is pretty awesome. It has been keeping track of my sleep patterns, as well as there's a timer, there's an alarm. It has so many great features, and I definitely love this, and I definitely recommend this product.